Hi, I'm Ifeoluwa Abdulsamad, a second year mechanical engineering student, University of Ilorin, figuring out front-end development, AI, visual design, and machine design along the way. I started design back in 2022, just as a secondary school boy with a laptop, and I was introduced to Photoshop. I'll pick labels, carton, or anything with a design and try to recreate it. It was not perfect, I was not following the best practices, but it sparked my curiosity. Later on, a man called Aliu Musa, the founder of KLT Africa and some other startups, came to my school for a career talk, and that's when tech really grabbed me. He talked to us about programming, technology in general. I started learning Python, HTML, CSS, slowly exploring the world of coding. For a long time, I had no clear path or roadmap, just curiosity. Now I'm taking intentional steps. This year, I built small projects like the TicTacToe game, which was a web-based game, an IP address tracker, and a product page with CAD functionality. I also created my first SolidWorks model, inspired by my school course GT 203, Engineering Drawing and Solid Modeling. Each project taught me something new. For the tic-tac-toe game, I learned about state management and some other functionality in React. For the IP address tracker, I learned about the API and how to fetch data from an API. For the product page, I learned about UI, and also machine drawing is very important for an engineering student, which was why I started learning SolidWorks. On this channel, I'll document everything about my tech journey, my engineering experience, AI discoveries, tutorials, and honest reality behind all of it. If you are learning, growing, or figuring things out like me, welcome. This is Navigating Tech and AI, my journey, discoveries, and real talk. No sugarcoating, just real results, struggles, and lessons.